Hi everybody, welcome to the RP Price Lego Build and Review channel. Welcome to a brand new build. This is a Speed Champion set number 77260, and it's called the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV 10 plus set, 292 bricks, and it looks very, very good. Nice looking car here, and it looks like it's in a roadster type configuration, which is really great. Nice looking wheels, fantastic set. If you're a Speed Champion collector like I am, I love Speed Champion sets. They're easy to build, they look great, and make great standalone models. Fantastic. So, what we have in this particular set is 5 numbered bags, as you can see. Right there, 106-page manual. It looks very good and easy to follow, no problems. You have the chassis piece, which is separate from the bags here. And you have a small sticker sheet. Unfortunately, we hate sticker sheets, but it adds a lot of graphics to the car, so we will put those on as we go along. So what we'll do is we'll stop after each bag, give you a brush update, show you how this is progressing, and how it comes along as we go. So stay with me. Let's have some fun with this set. Speed Champion sets are just wonderful to build, and they look fantastic. I have a great number of them. If you look back through my build videos on my channel, you'll see a ton of Speed Champion sets being built, and then all of them displayed together as well. Fantastic sets, and this one's not very expensive either. It's a $28.99 set, and it looks great. So, come along with me. Let's have some fun with this and build it. I'll stop after bag number 1, give you a fresh update, and we'll continue on through all 5 bags. And then at the end, I'll give you a full review, show you what I think of this set, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please, I'd much appreciate it if you'd like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm trying to build the channel up to 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate it when you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. I love your comments. I read all of them, and I respond to all of them. So don't be afraid to leave some comments. Let me know what you think of this set. Much appreciated. So let's get on it, have some fun, and I'll be back after bag number 1 to give you a full update at that point, and we'll move on from there. Again, thank you for watching. Thanks for coming along, and we'll be back after bag number 1. Welcome back, everybody, to the new build Speed Champion set, Fast and Furious series. It's set number 77260, Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV. 292 bricks, and it is coming together very nicely so far. We've completed bag number 1, moving on to bag number 2. No stickers have been used yet. We're building up the basic underside chassis. Here's bag number 2. And as you can see here, page number 27 out of 106. Here is bag number 2, laid out and ready to go. And here's what we have so far through bag number 1. As you can see, just the basic chassis. I'm not sure what these, well, they're hatchets. In the real brick world, they're hatchets, but they are used in here. As you can see, the interior, the stick shift is in there. And here's the underside. We used that one chassis piece, building off from that. And that's what we have so far. Not a whole lot to look at. You see the axles are in with the wheel spindles, ready to go. So, and we have one minifigure, by the way, right here, included. And that will be the driver holding his black wrench. So we'll move on to bag number 2 and update you after bag number 2. And then we'll move to 3, 4, and 5 after that and give you a final review at the end. So hang in there with me. Let's complete this. Coming together very nicely so far. And it's going to be a good looking set when we're done. As you can see, it's a really fantastic looking set. That'll add a nice dimension to anybody's Speed Champion collection for sure. So let's get on to bag number 2. Thanks so much for coming along and watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Helps me so much when you do, and I really appreciate it. So let's get on to bag number 2, and I'll be back. Thanks again for watching. Welcome back to the continuing build of the Speed Champion set, the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV, and it is set number 260, 77260, 292 pieces, $29 set. Very inexpensive and very, very displayable and looks fantastic. Here's where we're at. Completed bag number 2. Moving on to bag number 3. And we're on page 59 out of 106 pages. Here is bag number 3 laid out. We did use a few stickers. We're right there. A few more to go. They were in key places that added some graphics to the car itself. And here we are through the first 2 bags. As you can see, the entire back end is pretty much built up. Did a nice job here on the graphics here for the rear of the Toyota Supra, which looks pretty authentic. Not bad at all. Here's where your stickers were, right here. Same on the other side. And you can see the rear fender flares are in. Stick shift is in. And here's the front side, front axle. So that's where we're at. And as you saw in the previous video, there is the single minifigure driver ready to go. So that's where we're at so far. Coming together nicely, no issues. Everything is fitting together very well. All the parts are here, and the parts quality, the brick quality is excellent. Just excellent. No problems whatsoever. Looks good. So let's move on to bag number 3. We'll be back after bag number 3, give you another update, move on to bag number 4 and 5, and then complete it with a final review. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this continuation of the build. And if you have any comments or questions, please put them down in the comments section. I always read those and answer them. Much appreciate when you do that. And of course, the subscription and a like would help as well. If these videos help you at all on deciding on this set or any sections that are a little complicated maybe in the build, being it's a 10+ set. So again, thank you for coming along. Thanks for watching, and we will be back after bag number 3. Thanks. Welcome back to the build of the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV. Moving on to bag number 4, right there. Page 77. No stickers were used on bag number 3. Here's bag number 4 laid out. A very small content on the bag on bag 4. Here's what we have through the first 3 bags. Boy, we built up quite a bit. The sides were added. The back window and this entire back section were added right here. And that's pretty much it. The back was already built up, but the sides were very critical. And of course we have down here the lower cowling down below. Several of these parts, by the way, are pre-printed. This was pre-printed, that was pre-printed on both sides. So there are some several pre-printed pieces in here, which really is kind of nice to see. We do have stickers, of course, but we also have a large quantity of pre-printed. The fender flares right here were pre-printed. So kind of nice. So it's kind of a mix, which is really great. So let's move on to bag number 4. Hope you're enjoying the build so far. I certainly am. Coming together nicely. It's going to be a good looking set when we're done. So hang in there with me. Let's get on to bag 4. I'll come back, give you a fresh update after bag 4, and we'll go on from there. Again, thank you for watching. We'll be back. Welcome back to the wrap-up of the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV, set number 77260. We've completed bag number 4. We're moving on to the final bag, which is bag number 5. And here it is. And one thing I have to point out on this set that I have not seen in quite some time, actually in quite a long time, look at the wheels on this set. Look at how they look like they're chrome plated. Incredible. I haven't seen that in a long time. Those wheels look fantastic. So we'll see how they look in the completed car when I do the final review on this, but man, those wheels look great. So still have a few remaining stickers. Moving on to the final bag, and this bag is based on page 87. Here's what we have. Doing more of the front end work here. Front end's getting completed in this bag, and we'll have a little more interior work. The front windshield will go on there, but pretty much 2/3 of the car is pretty much done except for the very top, and of course the wheels and tires, which will look fantastic when they're on there. So that's where we're at so far. Looking good. Great looking set. Here's the underside. You can see the rear exhaust back here. That can be moved in different directions as well, so you can aim it more toward the back or to the side like I have it placed right now. Sides are in. front fenders are in, and the back side of the roof with the rear windows in. So let's move on to the final bag. I'll get that completed. We'll be back and I'll give you a final review and let you know what I think of this set. So far it's coming together very well. No issues at this point. It looks fantastic, and it is really, really nice looking, as well as a good fit and finish on the bricks. Looking fantastic. So let's get on to the final bag. I'll be back after that, and we will do a final review, and we'll wrap it up. Thanks so much for coming along and watching. Really appreciate it always. And please like, subscribe, and share. I love it when you do that, and it means a lot to me. Thanks so much again, and we'll be back. Hello, and welcome back to the completion of the Speed Champion set, the Fast and Furious series, set number 77260. It's a 10+ set, and it's called the Fast and Furious Toyota Supra Mark IV. 292 pieces, and it runs $28.99. Really great set here. Very easy to build. A great looking set. This is a newer release from Lego, released recently, and it's a really great looking set. What you have is the Mark IV Supra. A lot of these pieces you're seeing are pre-printed. All those pieces on the hood are pre-printed. The headlights are pre-printed. The grille down in front is pre-printed. And these are stickers on the side right here. This is pre-printed on the side. This little section in the very front is a sticker. And the rear fenders are pre-printed, and the stickers around there are stickers that are around there. You have a rear spoiler, rear windows. There's no roof on this. It's an open cockpit car. One minifigure's included, as you can see right there, sitting in the car, ready to go racing. But what's really interesting about this set, and I don't see this very often, is look at the wheels. Bright chrome-looking wheels, which look fantastic on this car. Really nice looking. As we come around the back side, look at the detail in the rear. There's your rear exhaust pipe. You have flares in the back, but look at the Toyota logo and the rear lighting. It looks pretty good. And that's also pre-printed. All that's pre-printed. The plate down below, the 3N, is a sticker. Really great looking set. Rolls real smooth. A really great build. I hope you came along with me as we built through all 5 bags. I stopped in each bag in this review, and we built the whole set. Really great looking car. This will add a nice dimension to your Speed Champions collection. Mainly those chrome wheels. Really shiny chrome wheels. They look fantastic. Look great. Of course, it comes with a manual, 106-page manual, easy to follow, no issues at all. There's your parts list right there. And 106 pages. Started off with the basic chassis piece and just built all the way around that. Good looking set, fun to build, and this will really fit well into your Speed Champions collection. I really enjoyed this one. It's a fun, really, really nice build, and a lot of detail, and all the parts quality. The brick quality was excellent. The fit was excellent. No issues whatsoever with this set. Came together really, really well. So check this one out. I think you'd really enjoy it. It's a nice low-cost set to add to your collection, and it really builds nicely. And I love those wheels. Fantastic. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the build as we went through all 5 bags. And I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know if you have this set. What do you think of it? Being a new release, this is one that I kind of had my eye on for a while, and really think it'll make a nice addition to my collection for sure. So check it out. Fun build, and a real nice result when you're done. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll be back with the next one. I have 2 more sets coming up. Both of them are Speed Champions with a new Ferrari release coming up next. Thanks again for watching.